We're going to explain how to disable the Android 12 default splash screen. 1. First, understand that the Android 12 splash screen, that initial screen you see when launching an app, is designed to improve the user experience by providing a consistent and quick transition. However, you might want to customize it or even remove it entirely. 2. This isn't a simple on-off switch. It involves modifying your app's configuration. The process is primarily focused on editing your app's write single quote Android manifest.xml write single quote file. This file contains crucial metadata about your application. 3. Locate the application tag within your write single quote Android manifest.xml. Inside this tag, you'll add a new element, metadata. This element will hold the key information to control the splash screen behavior. 4. Within the metadata tag, you need two key attributes, Android name and Android value. For Android.name, you'll use write single quote Android.splashscreen.theme. This tells the system we're configuring the splash screen. 5. For Android value, you specify a theme resource. Instead of referencing a theme that includes a splash screen, you will either reference a completely empty theme or create a custom theme with only a simple background. Creating a new empty theme is often better for keeping things organized and will create a very quick transition. 6. Now create a new style, theme resource in your write single quote styles.xml write single quote file, usually located in res values. This theme should minimally specify a background color. Anything else will still show briefly before your app's own theme fully loads. 7. Inside the new style you've created, only specify the background attribute. Make sure this is the same color that you will be using for the rest of your application to keep the transition seamless. If the color does not match, you will see a small flash of the background color before the launch of the application. 8. The important part is that this new theme should not contain any elements that would traditionally create a splash screen. Remember, you reference this new empty theme within the metadata tag's Android value attribute. 9. Once you've made these changes, rebuild and reinstall your app. The default splash screen provided by Android 12 should now be gone, replaced by an almost instant transition to your app's main screen. 10. Remember to test thoroughly on various Android 12 devices to ensure the result is consistent. Keep in mind, removing the splash screen might affect perceived app performance if loading times are slow. Finally, always back up your project files before making any significant changes to the code.